saying. I get a lot of questions about how I do my brows, so today I'm gonna just be doing a quick, you know, eyebrow tutorial. How I fill in my brows is really easy, really simple. I don't do nothing special. I just, you know, take my time and fill them in. I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use to fill in my brows, and yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Alright, so first I just start off by just like brushing them. You definitely want to make sure you just brush them in the direction you want them to, you know, so they can lay down. That's all. Brush them. And sometimes also before I draw them on, before I fill them in, I tweeze. Like, I get rid of, you know, unwanted hairs, especially if I haven't gotten them waxed in a while. Just kind of tweeze around them to clean it up. If I can find my tweezers. Here we go. So that's what we're gonna do next. We'll just go ahead and just also something else that I do, y'all. This is something that I take like some powder and just dab a little bit on, because this is where I get greasy a lot in this area. You know, when you've been having your brows on all day, the makeup tends to get greasy. First, I go in with, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Clear Brow Gel. This definitely helps a lot. This definitely helps with laying them down and keeping the hair straight. So if you have like really thick, crazy hair, eyebrow hairs, give this a try. This will definitely help lay them down, lay them straight in the direction that you want them to go in. Alright, so I just put that on. We're gonna wait a minute to let that dry. I let it dry before I start. I'm sorry, but yeah, I gotta hold my mirror up. Still not dry yet. But we just gonna let that dry. I swear my lips not this dark in person, y'all. Now, what I use to fill them in, I use this this pencil by CoverGirl. Let's see, I got it in soft brown. Now, I like this pencil a lot because it has a very, like the tip, if you can see, the tip of it is really, really thin. So it helps you when you're filling in your brows to get a lot of precision. And when you fill them in, and you know, it gives you a lot of, you know, so you can be very precise and draw like real straight fine lines. So of your pencil and just kind of blend and brush. Give it a more softer, natural look. So just good. Don't need to be perfect. I'm not really doing much today, but just good. Look, that's it. You are pretty much done. Well, not yet, but we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. I use the Fenty Beauty in the shade 260 to conceal my brows. And a tip to when you are concealing, make sure you have a very like small angle brush so you could get that really sharp conceal line underneath. I just take a Q-tip just to kind of blend in the concealer. I mean, you can take a Q-tip, you can use your brush, whatever you use is good, but I just use a Q-tip. Just kind of brushed in. And baby, that is it. That is it. I usually don't conceal the top, but if you do conceal the top, try to use some makeup that's close to your skin tone, because I don't like the bright concealer at the top. It's just that is it. That is it. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. That's it. Quick. Probably took me about 10 minutes, if that. And they look okay. Girl, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.